Good morning. Happy Friday. This is Trisha with Traders Helping Traders. We're about 5 minutes away from New York Open here. I'm looking at on this higher time frame. Price is hovering between yesterday's low and yesterday's close. We're in the middle of this triangle. This is my 15-minute trend line, my 1-hour trend line. And we are right here hovering around the 50% mark on this overall down move on the higher time frame. I am going to wait for a breakout above yesterday's close or a breakdown below yesterday's low. We'll see. I'm going to go ahead and draw my box here, the Fab 4. That is going to be a box around the 200, the 20, and the 9 moving average, and then price action back for 1 hour, so to 8:30. You see it pretty much coincides here with yesterday's low and then this trend line here, the 50% mark. We need to bust up above one of these. I'm going to wait for it to clear yesterday's close before I would get in to go long, because it could fake out and then get here and then fall. So let's see what happens at open. I'm going to be trading my trade sinker accounts. Copy trading all these accounts here attached to this demo. These accounts are attached to this demo account here. I was able to get a little bit here in this account last night, and I traded my Top Step account last night, so I don't need to trade that one. I took a payout on Tuesday night and it cleared my bank yesterday. Ended up blowing all 5 of my Top Step accounts yesterday. Yesterday was brutal, and copy traded all at once. I lost my funded account and 2 combines all at once. So I'm starting from scratch with them. I logged in here. You can integrate. You can log in here to TradingView with that lead demo account. So when I enter, you can see the actual trades here. This is the Trade-Avate software that I'm going to be using. The entries and exits are a lot quicker over there using that. But you will be able to see what I'm doing here on this screen. What we're going to do here. Yesterday's low. Big doji. Indecisiveness in the market. We're not traders, we're waiters. You have to wait and be patient. Some strength here to the upside. If you look here at the higher time frames, the moving averages are still underneath the 200 here, although they are pointing up, but they're starting to flatten out here too. Need a strong green bar up in order to push. Otherwise, we're going to go back down and test this low. There's a little bit of strength here. Can we break up over the close? That's what I want to see. If we do. I've drawn a fib here on this overall down move here. So you can see right here's the 50. If we break up over that, then the chances of us going down and making a new low are slim. Not to say that we won't go down, but make a new low is pretty slim. And then I did a fib here on this up move on the 2-minute time frame. This is it right here. So if we go up, and break through yesterday's close, we should go up to this next level here, which is the extension on the fib, and then we've got a major level. I went and marked all the major levels from the higher time frames. That's what these are here. And then we got yesterday's high, of course. So can we do it? Can we break up? We don't have any news today. We had 8:30 news, but I don't know if it was released or not because the government's closed. Oh no, that was yesterday. No, we don't have anything today. See, it's rejecting right there again at the 50. This is where I get impatient. I'm like, I want to just go ahead and get in and get out and go about my day, but I've just got to be patient. One of my biggest problems is the patience. Sitting here waiting and waiting. I can't force moves, I know that. But I sure like to try sometimes to force it. Sit on my hands. At least I know what my issue is. Sometimes I can control it. Sometimes I actually give in and get in too early. Make mistakes. That's what happened yesterday. A lot of people probably thought it was getting ready to go, and no, it's not. No way, Jose. Now we need violence here. We need violence that takes out the low, the 200. And if we get that, then we will wait for a little tiny bounce and get in. Wait for another push or two, and then get out. If we don't get violence here, then it's not going to go. Remember, when you're in positive territory, you need a violent red bar in order to take a short. Right now, this is not violent. That just took out that whole upward move, but it's not violent. It's not falling violently. Let's see what happens now. It's going to be one of them mornings where we just have to wait. We can go ahead and start drawing our orb. This was open bar here. And up to here. Got 5 more minutes of till we're at 9:45. On days like this, it could take an hour before we get a good move. The market's just thinking. Market makers are sitting around trying to figure out what they want to do. And you don't want to get in until they get in. Otherwise, you're going to get into trap. We are still ranging in between yesterday's close and yesterday's low. Looks like we've been doing that since 8 o'clock. We got to break up or down. What do you guys think it's going to be, up or down? I'm leaning to down, but honestly have no idea. That's why I try not to be biased, because you just don't have any idea. Nobody knows what it's going to do until it does it. See that, how they're flattening out? Now they could go up again still, or they could just, but it rejected there. I don't know. I mean, I guess it could go either way, honestly. Come on, clear it. You gotta clear it. You gotta clear it. I can't get in until you clear it. Come on. You can do it. not violent enough. Not trusting it until it clears the 200. I don't like the way it's moving. Not trusting this just yet. You don't typically take shorts in positive territory, and we're still in positive territory. It needs to clear the 200. Be scared it's going to reverse right here. Alright, so this is our orb. I'm going to extend it to the 200 because I'm not getting in until it clears that 200. That's all there is to it. I can get rid of this Fab 4 box now because I'm going to be going off the orb. So that's why you don't get in a short until it clears the 200. And it needs to clear it violently. Like, we need a nice, big, huge fall. If it rejects, see how it plowed past the 50%? It's gonna go up. If it takes out all this red here, it's gonna go up. Oops, I deleted my orb. This is looking pretty good, guys. I better wait for it to clear. Taking out over half of that red move, so it's more than likely going to keep going up. But since we've been ranging in this area since 8 o'clock and we haven't busted up above the orb, I'm a little hesitant here. Could be a fake out. I've got to be very conservative moving forward because I busted up those 5 accounts yesterday. I don't want to do that again. I'm going to stick to my rules. See how it's struggling? I don't trust it just yet. You're not going to fake me out today. You ain't doing that to me again. No way. You're going to have to clear yesterday's clothes before I get in, buddy. Okay. Starting to look like you want to actually go up. This is considered a total bull 180 here. We went down, we're taking it out, but it's not wanting to push above yesterday's close, so I don't trust it still. It's annoyingly slow this morning. It's 10 o'clock. I was hoping to be done early. Doesn't look like that's gonna happen. Let's see. I just need a little push. Come on. Oh, nope. Here we go. Nope. It's gonna be good and go. Watch it. Let's see. Let's just make sure it's gonna go down just a little bit. Come on, go down just a bit, just a bit, just a bit. Alright, I'm in. Hitting the stop. it out. Let's see what it's gonna do because I don't need much already. I might scalp it once more. Let's see what it's gonna do. Clean my fib up. Get rid of this orb. I don't need that. Well, I'll keep it because it might go back down and test the orb. A lot of people wait for the breakout on the orb and then wait for it to go down and retest it and then get back in. So there might be a potential move again. It looks like it's trying to head to this level. The next extension on the fib here will be here, which is coinciding with that major level there. So that's good. Probably will go up to there. But I'm wondering if it's going to retest here first. There's not been a color change yet. So we've had 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th push. We need a color change. And then head back up. Here we go. Push, push, push. There. Now it is 9:56. I am done. Put a fork in me. I'm done. Okay, let me show you guys. This is what I did. So I'm literally $8 or $6 away from passing this one. Okay, I passed this one. Passed this one. The problem is I've got to trade this one more day. I'm only on day, this is day 4, so I've got one more day, so I'm gonna have to flip these two on Monday and get just like $100 in each one, and then closing that down, close those down, and these 3 here I need just a little bit more, but I'm only on day 4, so I got to trade these 3 more days. I need $8 more over here. Let's see if I can get it. Not 8, 6. Let's see if I can get it real quick. It looks like it's going to go down and retest the orb. Alright, I think I just got it. Let me see. Oh, I got to do that in order to bring this back over to this screen. Ugh. Seriously, $4. Come on. Alright, you better be at 53 now. Okay, I need to take a screenshot so I can show you guys in Discord what I did today. Turn my connections off. Alright, I'm done. Thank God, it's 10 o'clock, done on a Friday. Hope you guys have a wonderful Friday. Happy trading. Hope everybody has a great day. And have a great weekend with your families. Please join our Discord if you haven't already. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Leave me some comments on recommendations, things that you guys would like to see, anything that I can help you with. I'd be glad to. Have a great one.